Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, AK MotoBroo, and as you see, we got the DRZ 400 Supermoto behind me, and we're bringing her back to life. We got the freaking battery. We're gonna jump her. Hopefully she starts. I haven't started this thing in a long time. She has about 40,000 miles on her, so let's get into it. All right, we got the beautiful battery right here to jump her up. Let's take off the plastic and start getting her done. As y'all know, this bike is my baby. I went all the way around Europe with her. Soon, maybe Africa. We'll see, but hopefully this thing starts, dog. All right, the moment of truth. Do we have spark? We got spark. All right, it's connected. Supermoto gods, be on our side. All right, here's the moment of truth. About to turn the key on. Oh, it's got lights. It's got lights. No way. She's live. Yo, oh my gosh. Yo, look at this. She started though. What in the F, bro? The classic DRZ is back alive. Let's put on my freaking helmet, hop on this thing, and give her a little shred, bro, because she needs it. Woo, we made it. We on the beautiful DRZ. Oh my, as you can see, my gauge is, oh, I gotta watch out for cars, but my gauge ain't even working, bro. And I low-key need to gas up, I think. I think I'm low on gas, and I can't turn the bike off or it's gonna stall out completely. It's about to get a little, oh my. This is gonna suck. God damn it, I forgot I gotta take the key out for the freaking gas. Oh my lord. Dang it, bro. So yeah, we got our gas, but as you guys know, my battery is completely toast because I freaking haven't rode this one forever. So now we gotta bump start this freaking thing. Luckily we got a little downhill right here. Hope for the best. Woo! What are you doing? Going backwards. We did it, we jumped her. All right, let's adventure. Yo, the DRZ! This bitch still rips, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can pull up real quick. Gosh, dang, we shredded, dude. I think I just seen a freaking nice little wheel ski spot. Hold on. I don't know what was back here though. Oh my gosh, bro. This ain't bad. Let's pull some wheel skis here though. That little first gear wheel ski. It's been forever. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It's been so long, dude, and it feels sketchy. I'm not used to these Supermoto tires at all. That's crazy, bro. Not bad, little wheel ski area. It's a little small, bro, for the Supermoto, but yo, I feel so uncomfortable on this. It's ridiculous. Like, I used to feel like this was home. Back in the day, this was home. I think the YZ450 is more home right now. Woo! We vibing, brother. Dude, I can't turn the, like, wherever the bike goes, it's going. I can't turn it. Front. I mean, bro, it low-key don't sound bad. Okay, it might have a little bit of a frickin' going on, but it ain't too bad. Alright, we're gonna hit this turn like a Supermoto should hit the turn. You feel me? Gosh. is fun, bro. Like, it's bringing back so many just memories and vibes, and I'm like, oh, I miss it, bro. I sort of miss, like, cruising around on the Supermoto, bro. But I got plans soon, go to Africa. I'll tell you guys that in a second. I posted a clip earlier about me turning this on, and everyone's like, yo, it sounds so terrible. And I'm like, it's not that bad, bro. Like, I had the choke on, so maybe that's why. Oh my gosh. I'm a little shaky, bro. That DRZ, holy. Let me give you guys a little walk around real quick. Somehow she's still freaking rocking, bro. She definitely got a crack subframe, if y'all are wondering. This thing has gone through it, bro. All the way through Europe. Africa this year, if everything goes to plan. I think I'm gonna take this thing. I think I'm gonna freaking get the motor checked out and just wing it. But who knows? We're not for sure yet. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see this thing in Africa, or I should just get a newer DRZ just because I don't want to break down in the middle of freaking Congo. You feel me? I do have some bonus footage from when I went to Winter Alliance, so I'll put that in just so you guys can get some extra, you know, wheelie clips. Thank you, boy. Let's go. Damn. Oh. How you doing?
I didn't recognize you.
Yeah, I got a little clip behind you, so let's go. Let's go. Oh my bro. Them sport bikes are scary, dude. Let's go. Yes, sir! Let's go! Bro, this is crazy. We're at a drag strip. We're at a flipping drag strip, dog. About to see some grom work go down. Okay. Yes, sir. Boy, definitely got a handbrake, so sort of cheating if you feel me. I'm just playing, I'm playing. Damn. He's like backwards on the bike right now, dude. Yo! Oh my gosh. That's pretty gnarly, bro. Let's flip and go. Yo, look at this is rubbing, dude. It's on the rim. Yeah?
I need a new tire.
I think you need a new tire. Bro, you split it in half.
I know.
Oh my god. Yeah. Hey, it's definitely time for a new tire. Yes, sir. Yo! Let's go! Bro, his fender's pretty far down, and he's straight out. We got everyone over here parked, chilling, vibing out. This is mainly, I would say, mainly a sport bike sort of ride compared to like dirt bikes, you know. There's a lot of sport bikes here. Oh, we got some dirt bikes right there. We got Alex all the way from Philly. How you doing? Good. You got any work on that thing, or? Yo, boy, got the Sur on work. Okay, I see you. Let's go. It's just cool. Like this is literally a drag strip, and we're just. Ooh, they had nosies.